Welcome to the overview of Extract AI app, how it works, its core functionality, and use cases. So, what exactly is Extract AI? It's a Monday.com app for pulling data and files from your Gmail or Outlook inbox. Extract AI also pulls information from your documents inside Monday.com file column and populate them directly to your boards. To get started, simply head to the Extract AI board view. You can install this into any of your Monday boards, and it acts as your personal command center. To get started, you simply create an AI block. You have the option to connect to Gmail, Outlook, or a file. For Outlook, you simply select the Outlook option. From here, you can add your account. Next, select a group. You can fill in subjects and files if you'd like. Then, map all the columns here that you want to extract data into. Finally, just create the block to save your changes. Setting up Gmail and files follow the exact same steps. The only difference with Gmail is that once you finish creating the block for the Gmail integration, you also need to create a Monday automation. To do that, simply select Gmail, add it into the automation, and follow the example shown here. That's the only extra step you need for Gmail. You can extract data directly from a file that's already uploaded to your file column. You can follow the same general process as the email integrations. However, the difference is that you can extract data from either a main item or a sub-item. Simply select the file column as the trigger. From there, follow the exact same steps for mapping the columns and the data you want to extract. If for some reason the standard column doesn't hold the data you need, you can use a custom field. Custom fields utilize AI to find exactly what you're looking for. To use this, simply create a custom field, add a reference for the data you want to extract, select the relevant column, and describe what you're looking for to AI. Once you define what you're looking for, just click Add Field. It should look like this, showing the column it's assigned to. Because this method uses AI, it is highly accurate. Another great functionality relates to sub-items. Instead of extracting data into the main item, you can extract data from a file directly into sub-items. To do this, simply enable the feature and select all the columns you want to map at the sub-item level. Back on the Extract AI board view, which again serves as your personal command center, you can manage all your active blocks. You can easily turn off or delete the Outlook block, or disable your Gmail and file integrations. Basically, if you want to pause or stop anything, you can manage it right from here. You can also manage and delete webhooks directly from this dashboard. Once you delete a webhook from the board view, it will automatically be deleted in the Automation Center as well. The final thing to note is your Usage tab. Here, you'll find information on how many actions you've used for the month. If you ever need to process more data, simply click Upgrade Plan to increase your action limits.